The 5 best exercises to build triceps fast. Are you looking to build triceps fast? Building muscle in your triceps can be difficult and time-consuming, but with the right exercises it doesn't have to be. In this video, we'll discuss the 5 best exercises to help you quickly build strong, toned triceps. With these exercises, you'll be able to get your triceps looking great in no time. Exercise 1, Skull Crushers. Skull crushers are a great exercise for targeting the triceps muscles. They're a simple move that can be done with either dumbbells or a barbell. To perform the exercise, lay down on a flat bench and hold the weight with both hands above your chest. Slowly lower the weight to your forehead, pause briefly, and then extend your arms back up. Make sure to keep your elbows tucked in close to your head throughout the movement. Skull crushers are a great way to develop strength and definition in your triceps. They also help strengthen the muscles of the upper arms and shoulders. Exercise 2, Bench Dips. Bench dips are a great way to target your triceps and build strength quickly. To perform the bench dip, start by sitting on the edge of a flat bench or chair, with your legs extended in front of you and your hands gripping the edge of the bench. Keeping your core tight, slowly lower yourself down until your arms are bent at a 90-degree angle. Then push back up until your arms are straight again. Make sure to keep your elbows close to your body throughout the movement. Bench dips can be modified to make them easier or more challenging depending on your fitness level. For instance, you can put your feet on the ground for more stability or use one foot for an added challenge. You can also add weight by placing a dumbbell between your feet. Start with a few sets of 10 reps and gradually increase the number of repetitions as you get stronger. Exercise 3, Close Grip Push-Ups. Close grip push-ups are an effective way to target your triceps and build strength. To do this exercise, begin in a plank position, with your hands slightly closer together than shoulder width apart. Bend your elbows and lower yourself until your chest is just above the ground, then press back up to the starting position. Make sure to keep your core engaged throughout the movement and focus on squeezing your triceps at the top of the movement. Doing 3 sets of 10 to 12 repetitions should give you a good workout. If you find that close grip push-ups are too difficult, try modifying the exercise by dropping to your knees. This will make the exercise easier but still provide you with a good workout. Exercise 4, Overhead Triceps Extensions. Overhead triceps extensions are a great way to isolate the triceps muscles and build strength. To perform this exercise, stand with your feet hip-width apart and hold a weight in each hand. Raise your arms straight up above your head, then lower them behind your head, keeping your elbows close together. The weight should be in line with your forehead. Pause for a second, then slowly raise the weights back up to the starting position. This exercise works all 3 heads of the triceps muscle, including the long head, which is the main muscle responsible for building arm size. This movement can be done with either dumbbell or a barbell. If you're using a barbell, use an overhand grip, palms facing away from you, for more difficulty. For even more of a challenge, use a weight that is heavier than what you'd normally use. When doing this exercise, be sure to keep your neck in line with your spine and make sure to keep your elbows close together throughout the movement. Avoid arching your back as you lift and lower the weights, and make sure to keep control of the weights throughout the entire range of motion. Exercise 5, Kickbacks. Kickbacks are a great way to build triceps fast. This exercise involves using only a pair of dumbbells. To perform the exercise, stand with your feet hip-width apart and hold the dumbbells in each hand at your sides. Bend forward at the hips, keeping your back flat, so that your upper body is parallel to the floor. With your palms facing inward and your elbows slightly bent, extend your arms straight behind you. Squeeze your triceps as you move the weights outward, then slowly return to the starting position. Repeat this movement for 8 to 12 reps. The kickback is an effective way to target the triceps. It requires a great deal of focus and control to ensure proper form. As you become more comfortable with this exercise, you can increase the weight of the dumbbells or perform more repetitions.